going on, everybody? It's Blake with Fitzgerald's again with another video for you. We're going to be going over some of the stuff done to this 2018 6.7 6-speed behind me, kind of giving you all the details, everything we've done to it and that the customer's done to it. But yeah, stay tuned. Here's the truck we just finished up. It's actually a buddy of mine's truck, and we didn't sell him the headlights. I did help him find them on Marketplace. But it's just an aftermarket set of headlights. He happened to find a deal on them on Marketplace. I helped him put them in. They actually look pretty good. We don't know who built them. I always recommend a professional to build them. But these don't look bad, and he got a deal on them, so you can't really complain. These are Alpha Rex headlights with etched lenses and demon eyes. They have been paint matched. They have been smoked. They do look a lot better than the factory 4th gen quad lights. This was not a factory projector truck, so it did have just the normal reflector housing, so this is definitely an upgrade. Like I said, it does have the demon eyes, the RGBs behind the lenses of the projectors, and this is the LED model. But looks a lot better. Headlights can make or break a truck, in my opinion. He also picked up some custom built taillights from the same dude. Had the same color truck. So here's the taillights. They are paint matched on the inside and the lenses smoked. Also, whoever painted them did add a paint line around the edge of the mirror, which I don't mind. I actually think it looks good. But yeah, the whole inside of the taillight is painted, even the reflectors. It does look a lot better than just a smoked taillight or a chrome one. It's definitely a good touch. All of it is still fully functional. You can still see it at night. It is still going to be legal. You're not going to have any problems out of it. But functionality is something you need to keep in mind. If you go too dark with the painting or the lenses, or if you paint over all your projector shrouds and stuff like that, you can run into some visual problems, and then you'll be getting pulled over. But yeah, there they are. I will be dropping a video of us installing these, just a real quick time lapse. I'll attach it to this video, but it turned out pretty good. I also wanted to take some time in this video to kind of go over this truck. This is a close buddy of mine's truck, and we have been working on this thing for forever. This thing's been around since I started working on trucks. And this truck has definitely came a long ways. This is a 18 model 6-speed truck. He did get it new. It was a tradesman truck. You can't tell now because of how much we've changed on it. But we're going to kind of go over a couple of the things we've done here recently. So we actually just got done with putting these JTX wheels on it. 26x14s with amp 35s. And this 5-inch lift. The lift is rough country, but it is completely powdered. And it does have Fox shocks. Rough countries are not bad lifts. They're dang good lifts for the money. But, so this truck from the factory had a chrome bumper with no fog light inserts. We put a new bumper on it that was not chrome. That way it wasn't flaking. We bought it new. It was a factory primered bumper. It was a fog light bumper, and we ordered the rigid fog light kit for these trucks. It's a really, really nice kit. It lets you mount 2 rigid pods in the factory fog light location. I've done that on a couple of my trucks. It's a really, really nice kit. Everything from rigid is. This ram grill is actually out of I believe it's a 17 model limited. Got it off a buddy of mine. And then the headlights, like I said, they're Alpha Rexes, built headlights with projectors. And these wheels actually came off my last show truck. They had like 500 miles on them when I sold them to them though. But we've done all this custom powder coating, color matching. We're gonna probably do the mirrors here soon. He's kind of debating whether or not he wants to do them because rock color match mirror, everybody knows how that ends. But everything in the rear is powder coated also. It is really dirty right now. But this truck's got quite a bit of work done to it. He changed the Cummins badge in the rear. He did that himself. Built taillights. It also had chrome rear bumpers. We did put a different rear bumper on it also. Color matched it. It is second gen swapped. It is a 6-speed truck. It's got head studs, nozzles. I believe they're 33% over nozzles. So it's a good, fun, reliable truck that you can drive and beat on and have fun with. But at the same time, it looks good. He doesn't really rough it now that he's lifted it. But yeah, it's a pretty nice truck. It's come a long ways from a stock tradesman truck. But that's pretty much everything done to it. We'll probably be making more videos with this truck. He will be going to some shows and stuff with us next year, so you'll be seeing this one. That's all I've got for y'all on this video. I appreciate y'all watching. We're gonna try and get better at these videos and release more often. We're gonna try and do 2 to 3 a week. We will learn. This is still new to us. And we will get more people involved with the videos as we get better at this. But we do have a lot of show builds coming up. A couple 2020s. I think I've got a F-250 and a Cadillac lined up for a show build. Custom wheels, fully powder coated lift, a bunch of lights, all the pretty stuff. And then we've got 2 5th-gen Cumminses to build, and then our personal show truck. But that's all I got for y'all in this video. Thank you for watching.